Hi guys, welcome to this short video about these bone conduction headphones. They have a lot of the latest technology which allows to use them for swimming, jogging, cycling. They have even a built-in 32GB storage which you can fill with your audio, so you can easily use it for swimming. You don't have to be connected to your phone, which would be very difficult anyway. It can be charged very fast in only 1.5 hours, and then we can use it to play up to 7 hours continuously. It comes with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, has even a built-in microphone, so we can even use it to make phone calls, and it's waterproof for 2 meters up to 2 hours. So it's a really interesting device. I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get and then how to use it. And so here we have the box with some information how we can use that, some of the specs. So let's open, see what we get. Comes with a nice carry bag. We get even some high quality earplugs. And so here we have the beautiful headset with this really nice matte black finish. Yeah, for me it looks like really good quality. Also this bracket here for the back. And so here we get some additional stuff. We get this proprietary charging cable, magnetic charging cable, and some more earplugs. And we get even this additional strap to secure it while we use it for swimming. And to charge, we connect it to USB-A standard plug and then just put it here. You can see goes into red charging. So I've read the instructions manual and it doesn't look too complicated, but I think it could be still very helpful to see the full instructions manual. So I'm showing you page by page, at least the English part, because it's not a lot, and I think it can be very helpful to see everything here. So we are already finished with that, and so we can use the same cable which we are using for charging also to connect it to a computer and then download some MP3 files. You can see it's saying we have a D drive. We click on that and so it's open. There is nothing there. So I have a couple of songs here and I just drag and drop them to the right side. And now you can see it's transferring all the songs to the headphones. Works very easy, no drivers needed. And so we can disconnect it here again. By the way, while we are charging the headphones, it's showing red. When it's fully charged, it's showing blue like now. And so we can definitely disconnect them here. What's awesome is that they are always waterproof, so there's no lid, nothing to open. There's absolutely no risk that you forget to close a lid and then damage the device when you go for swimming. So this is awesome. And so we have the 3 buttons down here. We have the on off, we have the plus for the volume, minus for the volume, and these 2 buttons can also be used with long press to go back to last track or go forward to the next track. And to connect the headphone to the phone, we have to long press here for about 3 to 5 seconds. Then we see the light here flashing between blue and red, so it's in pairing mode. So we go down, refresh. And so now we can see the X6. We can click on it to pair, click on pair again. And now it's fully connected and we can see the battery charge level is 100%. We have also a couple of options, so we can activate or deactivate it for media and phone calls. And so we can play and control it, for example, from the mobile phone. We can increase or decrease the volume from here, start and stop from here. But we have full control also from here. So we can, for example, start and stop directly from here. You can see that here. Now it's playing and I press here and it goes on pause. And I can also increase and decrease the volume. And so I'm increasing the volume here. And with this button here, I'm decreasing the volume. And when it's connected to the phone, but we are not playing some music, we can long press here for about a second. And then it will invoke automatically the AI assistant. You can see it's now listening. So I stop this here again. And also switching between the TF card mode and the Bluetooth mode is super easy. We just press 2 times here short and then it's switching. It will tell you in which state it is. So when we switch from the Bluetooth to the TF card mode, it starts automatically playing whatever it has here on the micro SD card. I hope you can hear that. And when we want to go back, you can see I press just 2 times and we are back and I can play from here again. And so I've been using these headphones now for a while. You can see I'm wearing them now. They are super comfortable, even with glasses, absolutely no problem. So I stopped playing here because I have been playing, and so it's definitely easier to talk when I don't have the music here in my ears. But the great wearing comfort doesn't compromise the safety and the hold of the headset, so no matter what you do, you can shake your head like crazy, you can make somersaults, you can do whatever you want. I can guarantee these headsets won't fall off, absolutely no question about that. What I have noticed is that the audio, the sound quality is really good, at least for a bone conducting headset. Of course, bone conducting headsets will never have the same audio quality as normal headphones, that's not possible, but this set comes really close. It's an awesome thing. Of course, also depends on how you're using. You can adjust it a little bit up and down, and then they are covering the opening here for the ears a little bit more or less. Of course, when you have them fully down, they are not covering, but then you have the maximum hearing comfort for everything else. You will hear every car coming, you can talk to other people, absolutely no problem. So I think with this headset you have the best combination, best option of having still good audio quality and hearing everything else outside, having a lot of safety, comfort, everything. So I think it doesn't get much better than that. And we even have a great microphone built in. I've been doing a test and I'm going to play that now for you. Phone conduction, microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So even though the microphone is also waterproof, it has a really good audio quality. What I also love with this headset is the amount of feedback which you get for the most important functions, like connect to Bluetooth or switch to TF mode or so. And it's a very comfortable voice announcing everything, but there is no announcement for the volume change and no announcement for the track change. That's also awesome, something which I like because we don't need that. Good. So overall, I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.